Hello, I'm Keith Kreischer, Executive Director of the IoT M2M Council, or IMC. I'm here speaking with KYOCERA AVX's Director of Global Marketing for Antenna, Carmen Redondo. Carmen, we're here at CES again. It's a big show, lots going on. How's the show going for you?
So far, so good, and a lot of people, as you say, very crowded. It's a huge show, but every pavilion is crowded, so very, very impressive.
Great. KYOCERA AVX has introduced some NTN technology here at the show. My understanding is that it's all about satellite connectivity and ubiquitous coverage. Talk to us about that. What's happening there?
So it's progressing, the NTN technology. You know, some time ago we see that something new that is coming, but we are now showcasing some of our customers' products which are already Skylo certified. You know, you need to pass certain requirements to be able to connect to the satellite, and we have managed to help those customers in different type of products, in trackers, with the standard antennas, but also very small devices like for cattle tracking, you know, like in the ear of the cow, which is very light, very small, and still with that such a small antenna you can connect to terrestrial but also to the satellite.
What else is KYOCERA AVX doing to address issues when it comes to ubiquitous coverage? I know you guys have more technology.
Yeah, so we are also showcasing antennas in LDS, which is a laser direct structuring, which means that antenna goes directly on the plastic with laser. You burn the plastic and then the antenna gets integrated directly on the plastic. And here I have an example that this is one of our new LDS antennas for NTN. So the advantage of this antenna compared to others is that you have circular polarization, and we are taking advantage of the LDS technology to have this kind of a structure, to have this type of antenna. So we have also a new device which is going through the Skylo certification that we are showcasing for sensors that are connecting to the satellite to transmit the information.
Right. Do you guys have other products that are taking advantage of LDS technology?
Yes, traditionally the LDS was used in custom designs, you know, like in cell phones have been for many, many years. But the advantage of the LDS in the standard products gives the capability to any kind of customer with any kind of volumes, which is the case in IoT, right? It's very diversified, it's all type of customers. So another new product that we are presenting here at CES is the same type of antenna, but for the GNSS L1, L2, L5, and 6, and also for 2.4, which is a very tiny antenna in LDS, which provides the capability to be placed on metal, which is for industrial applications is very important.
Obviously, we're seeing a lot of satellite cellular convergence out there. Why is ubiquitous coverage so important? What are the markets that are really asking for that?
Well, 70% of the planet is not covered by terrestrial coverage, so I think this is one of the key
There's that
factors.
minor detail.
So the traditional satellite technology that still exists, of course they have very large antennas, they use a lot of power, it's very expensive. So to be able to translate that into IoT, that's why the 3GPP release 17 has given this guidance to use the existing cellular chipset, so you can have both terrestrial connectivity and NTN connectivity. So the antenna plays an important factor, because it's not about using the same antennas, like everybody says, but you need to have some kind of requirements. You need to, you know, the satellite signal is very weak, so the sensitivity is very important. So it's important to have a good antenna design in your device to be able to transmit efficiently and not to lose power.
Super stuff. Once again, I'm Keith Kreischer of the IMC, here speaking with Carmen Redondo of KYOCERA AVX. Carmen, thanks for coming by. Have a great show.
Thank you for having me.